Bang! Needs Knives, I'm Jared, and here we have some new Sencut models. This is the Sencut Slashkin. Now I will say, I love the action on this thing, and I really like the blade shape, and it's my style knife. You know, it's definitely a straightforward knife that's going to work well for most things. You can see it's got a beautiful drop point blade, almost a spear point. It does have a nice deep hollow grind. I love to see that. This thing's going to cut like a champ, but it still has somewhat of a stout spine, like not a thick spine by no means, but you know, it's robust enough to where you're not going to have to worry about the tip breaking or anything like that. Beautiful forward finger choil. You're going to be able to choke up. This one has green micarta scales, but there's going to be different versions, different handle materials. Very comfortable in the grip. Steel liner lock. Deep carry clip that is not inset, but it does have flat screws and it is reversible. Now, talking about this action, you can see how high this flipper tab is relative to the pivot. It is super high. Then you have the thumb studs, which feel a little bit low when thinking about the flipper tab, because the flipper tab is up so high. Man, nice detent too. Stout detent, man. This thing's great. It rockets out there. Look at how smooth it is on the drop too. And that, but anyways, the thumb studs, they feel a little low, you know, compared to the flipper tab, but it feels like this is exactly where my fingers kind of land. So, you know, right where my finger just naturally is for the reverse flick, that's where it's at. Right where my thumb naturally springs out to kick it out, that's where it lands. So very well, man, very good job on that. You know, I'm guessing that they actually measured that out to see, you know, what was the most likely position of your thumb and finger. But yeah, this thing rockets out, and you can hear the lock bar. Lots of milling on the inside of there to bring down the weight. Yeah, this is going to be a great user for a lot of people, man. And, you know, Sencut's prices, yeah, this thing's a no-brainer. Now, I do have one negative so far. Only one, because, you know, everything is done so well on this. So, my one negative is the access to the lock bar is a little tight. It could be better. You know, I feel like I'm kind of squeezing myself in there. Is it camera? Is it horrible? No, it's not horrible. So it's definitely not something that I'm criticizing to the point to saying that, you know, I'm getting angry over it. But it is something I would way rather see them get tighter. It's weird how Sencut is like known for either doing really good lock bar access or, you know, they fumble the bag. There's definitely a few models I can think of right now where they fumbled the bag on the lock bar access. But in this case, you know, they almost got it. They didn't quite fumble the bag, but they almost got it. They did cut it back a tiny bit, but just not enough. As far as the D2 goes, I'm not mad at it. I think for this price, D2 is a phenomenal steal, especially when coming from a company like Sencut. Because Sencut and they do a pretty good job, especially compared to a lot of other companies. They do a pretty good job with their D2. So, you know, for the price, I'm not mad at D2 whatsoever. I think that's actually a pretty good buy, to be honest. You know, especially considering all the other things, the geometry, the materials, the fit, the finish, the action, you know, everything put together, you know, this is, they're priced very well. I think the knife's awesome. It's definitely one I would recommend. We have one more. Now, I don't know, the only difference I can see with this is the Sencut BOCLL. Now, the Sencut BOCLL, I just featured it on the video the other day. Not this one, but my other version. So this has been out already. However, mine does not have a satin finish, so this one does have a satin finish. D2 steel. This one does come in micarta and stuff like that. Obviously, I said I had the micarta one. I think it's micarta. But this one is black G10, and it does have good access to the lock bar. I really like this knife because it's a perfect knife for most people. It does have an inset deep carry clip with flat screws, not reversible, T8 hardware all the way around, nice comfortable snappy flipper tab, and the blade shape and handle, this knife is a pinch grip like utility beast. This thing because of the blade shape being the type of blade shape it is, super thin geometry, it's gonna slice really good forward. You're gonna be able to turn around and cut straps. The pinch grip, you have so much leverage down into the tip of the blade because of the shape of this handle. I mean, you feel like you could peel apples with it. Like, it literally just feels like a very wieldable knife for most people. And the size, the weight, everything about this is a perfect knife for most people. This is a fantastic gift knife for most people, because most people will, this thing is literally perfect. You can do anything with this little guy. And it's so slicey, you know, it's something that's gonna continue to cut and pass through material, even when it probably gets a little dull. Work hard, stay tough. You know society's relying on you. Until next time, peace.